The Arnold Palmer. Now, being a Brit, the concept of iced tea absolutely baffles me. I've tried to be open-minded about it, but it's just not for me. The addition of some lemon juice and some soda water is something I should try, and perhaps I'm missing out on something and being a bit too judgy. This drink is an apparent golf staple, but the only time I played golf, I've had a terrible hangover and cheated, infuriating the people I was playing with, or smashing a ball across a driving range, nearly hitting the people next to me. Aside from that, I'm probably better suited to the clubhouse bar. The ingredient lineup: black tea, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup and soda water. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of tea to our shaker. Follow up with 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of simple syrup. And lastly add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice and give this a good shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. History-wise, this drink is named after the golfer Arnold Palmer, who is known as one of the greats of the game. He used to like to order an iced tea mixed with lemonade. Double strain into an ice-filled highball glass. Top up with soda water and give a good stir. Then garnish with a lemon slice. The taste test. I was really surprised by this one. It was actually really nice. What I did is, before I added the soda water, I did give it an actual try and it tasted really delicious. You know, the complexity of the tea, the refreshing nature you get from the lemon juice and the sweetness of the simple syrup. I don't actually think the soda water really is the best addition to it all. And I think it'd be really great if this is mixed up with some gin of some kind, or vodka or something along those lines. I was really pleasantly surprised by it all. Really nice drink, really refreshing, and something you really want on a summer's day rather than a day in January. But yeah, nice drink, and I'm going to give this a solid 7.9 out of 10.